How to use Snapchat for social media storytelling. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to use Snapchat for social media telling. So without further ado, let us begin. So first let's just open up Snapchat right now. Let's just open that up. Okay, now here we are in Snapchat. So first what we're going to do is just simply go through everything right here in Snapchat. So first is we have our profile section right here. So in here we can customize our profile, so we can change like our name right here, create our own avatar and such. So yeah, so the settings right here allow you to change your username right here, your birthday, and etc. You can also create your own Bitmoji right here, password, and some other settings right here that you can also utilize. So they have a lot of settings right here that you can check out. So yeah, feel free to check all of these settings out. Next is we have location. So in here you can share your location right here with the people that are following you, so they will see exactly where you are in this map. So yeah, and then in this map as well you can also see how many people are using Snapchat right here. So as you can see right here around Pakistan, around this area right here, as you can see that the map is red, that means there are a lot of users right here around this area. Next is we have the messaging area. So in here you can send messages to the people you know or to your followers. So yep, you can also add people right here as well. Next is we have the camera. So in here you can use this in taking pictures and photos, trying out their filters right here as well, and a lot more. Moving on, so we have the stories section. So in here you get to see the stories right here of different people. So yeah, you can also view all these stories out, and you can also post your own story. Next is we have the spotlight. So in here you get to see all the videos right here that are in Snapchat. So basically this is kind of like YouTube Shorts or TikTok. So you'll get to see all the videos right here that you can view. You can also like the video, comment here as well. You can also repost it or reshare it. You can also share this with your friends right here. And these three dots right here allow you to block the user, report the Snapchat. You can also make it as not interested, remix the snap, copy the link, or export or send the snap. So yeah, at the bottom right here you also get to see the sounds used, the creator as well, and some topics. Okay, so moving on, let's try to take our first snap. So to do that, what you want to do is just simply go to the camera section right here and just simply take a photo of something. So for example, just take a photo of this. There you go, and then there you go. We can now simply add this to our story or send it to our friends. So at the bottom right here, they also have some filters right here that you can use. So yeah, so for example, I'll just use a simple filter right here, just like this one. There you go, and then you can simply add this to your story. You can save it right here or send it to the people you know. And then the right side right here, you can also edit out your picture right here, like adding text like hi. You can also move it around if you want to. Next is you can also draw right here, so I'll just write something like test, then there you go. You can also add stickers right here, just like these ones. So yeah, so for example, I'll just add the time right here for the sticker. There you go. Next, you can also like cut, so you can make your own stickers right here if you want to. So yeah. Next is adding music. So here you can add music, so you can search music right here at the top as well. Then you can also view other music right here at the bottom. Moving on is this search bar right here. So in here you can search up other filters right here that you can use. So yeah, they have a lot of filters right here that you can use, so feel free to check all of these out. Next is this one, the magic pen. Basically this one just really allows you to enhance your photo. So as you can see, our photo got a bit saturated. So yeah. Next is the magic eraser. So if you want to remove stuff within your image right here, it will just simply do that. So you can just simply erase something, and then there you go. So as you can see that the text is gone. So once you're done, simply click on done, and then there you go. Next is this pin. So basically this one just allows you to type in or input URLs. Next is the crop image. So in here you can crop your image out. There you go. Next is time limit. So in here, snaps and stories can set to no limit, or loop or bounce videos can be sent by friends. So you can configure the time limit right here. At the bottom right here, you can also add or lock filters, just like this one. So when you click on that, it will lock the filter. So yeah. And then once you're done configuring your photo right here, again, you can either save it, story it, or send it to people. So for example, I'll just story it just like that. That says right here, adding a snap to your story allows your friends to view your snap a limited number of times for 24 hours. You can change who can view your story in your settings, so stories set to no limit and loop or bounce videos can be saved by friends. So yeah, I'll just add this to my story. And then there you go, we have now added something to our story. So you can check it out right here. There you go, you can view your story just like that. And then at the bottom right here, you'll get to see the viewers and the shares right here. Moving on, if you want to take videos right here in Snapchat, what you want to do is just simply long press the camera button right here. So just long press that and it is now taking a video. So once you're done, there you go. And there you go. So as you can see, it is now a video. And then you can also apply the previous settings that you've done in editing out your photos. So yeah, so I'll just abandon that. And then there you go. Next, beside this photo icon right here is the gallery. So in here, you get to see everything right here within your gallery. So you can get to see your home, your camera roll, your AI snaps, your stories, my eyes only. So this one, my eyes only you can see this stuff. So if you want to use any of these, feel free to view them. So as an example, I'll just choose a photo right here that I have took a picture of. So I'll just click on that. And then there you go. So as you can see right here, we can also edit out this photo as well. So add images, add text, add sound, and etc. So yeah, feel free to customize out if you want to use previous photos that you have taken. So yeah. So afterwards, for example, I'll just add simple text right here. So I'll just add the name of the car, Toyota AE86, just like that. Click on done, and then there you go. Then you can simply add this to your story. And there you go, the story is now been sent or added to your stories. So yeah. Then when we go to our profile right here and view our stories, as you can see, we have now added our story right here. And then there you go. Same thing goes as well with videos. So in here you can choose or use videos from your gallery right here, just like this one that I took from Japan. So there you go. So you can use videos as well that you've took a picture with your camera. So you can also edit this out as well. So again, you can add text right here, just like that. So for example, just simply add text. Just add Japan. There you go. Click on done. And then there you go. So you can also apply filters if you want to. So yeah. So just simply add this filter. Just add it to my stories. And then there you go. We have now added it to our stories. So when we go to our profile right here, check out our stories. So as you can see, we have now added our video right here that we took. And then there you go. And then after that, you are pretty much done on using Snapchat. So those are pretty much the basics on how to use Snapchat for social media storytelling. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.